Hey guys, this is Canon PIXMA TS7750i. I'm going to show you how to scan using ADF. Take the document you want to scan on top of the ADF. Make sure the information is up. Then go to your Canon Print app and it's ready. Select Scan. From the scan, you select the scan setting. Document type is PDF. Original text is document. Color. Original size of paper is A4. Then you go back and select Scan. File is saved. You select OK. So this is the document we scan. Stick the document you want to scan face down. Select Scan. Select OK. Your file has been saved. So this is the document we scan using ADF. If you want to print it out, you select Print. Then scroll down and select the printer. Canon Print. Select Yes. Then you print this document out. Select Print. Printing is completed, then you select OK. So this is the document we scanned and printed it out.